What's good, everybody? And that right there is just a regular hook kick. And this is a kick that's very, very crucial when it comes to high performance martial arts because of the high level sparring. So in a sense, when it comes to martial arts, there's going to be a level where you can only kick middle. But once you reach the high level sparring, you can kick head. And this is a kick that is super important. And I will show you guys one more time. We're going to keep bouncing. And from our front leg, we're going to lift it up. And that's it first. We're going to lift it up as fast as we can. And step number 2, we're just going to make a circle just like that. And from there, we're going to put it together. We're going to bounce and hook. Bounce and hook. So same thing. When it comes to Taekwondo, kicks are not just about the legs. Like I said, it's more about the hips. So just like the back kick, it's going to be something we're going to use our hands with as well. When we hook kick, punch the ground. So you want to create that rainbow feeling instead of just going downwards. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.